Hello everyone, this is Sam from SamuraiMini.com. We've got this nice little 2007 Hijet here. This one's got quite a good spec and silver paintwork. Nice condition in the paintwork as well. A little bit of muck in the tray, but it's not too bad. Open that here and you get your three side drops. Like so. Now you see you can load that with a forklift or sit on the back, use it for fishing. You can sit here and fish there. That's a use I've never thought of. Right, so in here we've got more upmarket fabric seats, not plastic seats, electric windows, an airbag on the driver's side. Is there? Maybe not. It's done 21,000 kilometers. It's not very many at all. 13,000 miles, somewhere around there. It's got air conditioning, it's got high-low range, 5-speed manual, 4-wheel drive's turned on and off with this button. If I press that, 4-wheel drive light comes on there. It's also got a diff lock here. Press that on, put it into first gear. Sorry about that. That's neutral. Put it in first gear, the light comes on. Now the back diff is locked when you start driving. Electric windows, as I mentioned, they're all working. Or there's only two, but they are electric. So you can keep warm, keep cool, keep dry in here. Better than a normal ATV with a tent on the top. So there we are. This one's on its way to the States. If you're interested in this vehicle, a vehicle like this, or you think you might be able to sell a few of these in your area, have a look on our website, SamuraiMini.com, and you'll